Welcome today in front of me Google Pixel 6 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store and here on the search bar type the Ampere. Right now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while application installing on your device. Now just open. Here click yes I agree, click close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And as can you see right now we can see our battery temperature, that's 32 and 3 degrees. Also you can see the health of your battery, the level, your Android version, the model of your phone, and more and other information. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.